People like to say that print on demand is oversaturated. It is no longer possible to make money on Etsy. And today I am walking you through 8 print on demand products, which means the creators of these products did not have to own any inventory or pack a single order or deal with returns. And this is to show you what is possible with print on demand. The goal of this video is not for you to recreate these products, but is to show you inspiration on what is possible with this business model and what is happening today. The listings I'm going to show you are anywhere from 1 month to 2 years old. And the reason I want to show you this range is if we take a look at a listing that was popular 2 years ago, that's obviously going to be a little bit of a harder product to try to recreate or sell into because the trends and the designs are always changing. However, I think it's very helpful to understand what type of revenue can absolutely be done with print on demand if you do it right, if you pick all the right winners, if you have a good mock-up, if you have good strategy. And so I'm going to walk you through some really exciting ones that I have found. And today I'm partnering with Printify to give you the roadmap of not just what the designs are, but exactly where to find these types of products. Printify is a print on demand platform that you can find all of these products, and they allow you to source your products from different suppliers globally to make sure that you're finding the right one that fits with your quality expectations and price point that is relevant for your business. How do I do this, might you ask? If you are new here, I'm Meg, and I launched my own print on demand business in 2023, scaled that business to over $250,000 in revenue. And in addition to running that business, I make content like this showing you exactly how I did it and giving you some tips, tricks, and hacks for you to be able to do it yourself. One of my best tips is to look at the data, look at the research. It is fine if you have this great idea in your brain and you can somehow make a great design and list that, but it's a great idea to start by looking at what is actually working. There's no need to really reinvent the wheel. We can take what's working, switch up the niche, switch up the design a little bit, and utilize what people are actually purchasing and what they have purchased for different seasons and make our listings better because of it. The way that I analyze that data is through a platform called EverBee. EverBee has been a partner of mine since my business began in 2023, and they are a back-end extension that allows you to see directional sales numbers on what is selling on Etsy. So by using them as an extension, you can type in different things that you're searching for and then look at all the different listings that are popping up for that category and get some sales statistics on how those listings are doing. This gives you a really good read on the direction of the market and might give you some signals on niches that you should absolutely stay away from and give you some early signals on the different designs that are rising to the top or maybe starting to gain early traction. I have all types of amazing tips here, so if you want more information on how to do research, please let me know. I can link you a few videos. But let's get into the data. Listing number 1, this is a custom photo blanket. So by taking a look at my EverBee extension, I can see that this listing has been around for 8 months. And when I take a look at their all-time trends graph, this is a product that has done consistently well and has actually seen a pretty strong strengthening of demand and has dipped a little bit in the summertime, but I'm assuming this had a really big peak in May because of Mother's Day. So anytime we're dealing with a familial gift or calling out a family, it's an awesome gift for Mother's Day and for Father's Day. This is one that I would absolutely expect to continue to tick up into Q4, and it's one that all of us can do. A lot of the products I'm going to be talking about today are personalized products, not every single product, so stick around to the end because the ones at the end of the video are going to be newer listings that are trending right now, so you can get some insight on what products you could be building for customers at this moment. What I love about these products and what I love about the blankets is you're simply taking a bunch of different photos and overlaying that onto a blanket. They have a couple of different customization elements on their site. So this is going to be one that is going to take a little bit more elbow grease to get the product where you need it to be, but they're selling it at a range of different prices, as you can see here, from $24.49 all the way to $57.96. And so there's plenty of opportunity for profit even if we're doing this print on demand. As I mentioned, Printify has a ton of products all throughout the United States and internationally as well for you to be able to find the right one that fits for you. I've just gone over to their platform, typed in blanket. They have a ton of different blankets that you can utilize. You're gonna see another blanket later on in this video, but pick the one that has the right locations for you, has the best reviews for you. If you click into one of these products, you're gonna be able to see who makes the product and their overall review, their lead time, how much shipping typically is. So those are all important tactics for you to make sure that you're deciding on the right one for you. That video that we saw was a Sherpa blanket, and it looks very, very similar to this one here, the fleece Sherpa blanket that is also a bestseller. And if we come down here and we take a look at the provider info, you can get a better understanding on what size options this supplier offers. So Spoke Custom offers this product in 2 different sizes, and you can see the price as well as the Printify premium price. That was a personalized product. Moving on to product number 2, which is going to be this gorgeous, adorable garden hair, don't care embroidered hat. There are a lot of opportunities with print on demand to do something custom and personalized, and I would absolutely recommend that if you have not dabbled in the personalized space, you should. The reason I say that is it's much easier for somebody to justify a higher price point if there is some sort of customization that's happening with it, because they can't just go down to Target and order that product or purchase that product. That is something they can only get online, and a place where if you are wanting to sell on Etsy, it's specifically where people go to get these more bespoke custom products. With that being said, that does not necessarily need to be the criteria to doing well with print on demand. Here we see a standard hat that has one form of embroidery here and some text and a cute little graphic, and it's not being personalized for everybody that goes out. It's a single price, and it's a very reasonable product that you could design once and sell thousands and thousands of times. What I really think is interesting about this listing is there's only 3 photos and a video. So this is a product that did super well when it launched. This was a design that clearly resonated with the audience, and once you're able to get that traction with print on demand and on Etsy, they will continue to show your product to people. The Etsy algorithm favors products that are selling to customers, so it's really important that you have an eye-catching design and a price point that gets people to click and to convert. This product alone has done nearly $8,300 in revenue for a single product they designed once and shipped multiple times. Moving on to product 3, a personal favorite for me is this customizable, it's giving Mrs. Blank baby t-shirt. This is the year that I am also getting married, and so anything bridal and anything wedding is showing up in my feed at all times. This product is adorable, it's personalizable, but it's absolutely not hard to design. They simply are using probably Times New Roman text across the chest and switching out the last name for this t-shirt. They're selling this t-shirt for $17.99, and they're also charging for shipping of $4.99. And when we take a look at this product analytics, you're going to be mind blown. So it's been live for 14 months, and if we blow out that entire time, we can see that this product alone has directionally done over $20,000 of revenue. One product, simple text, over $20,000 of revenue. This is revenue, it's not profit. You have to assume that there's at least 10% of this revenue going to the Etsy platform for all the fees and things of that nature. And then you obviously have to pay for the product as well. But it's safe to assume that probably about a quarter of this is profit directly into this seller's pocket by just having a really strong listing. Once again, they have 4 or 5 images, not even a video, and they've just been able to have this stylized product do super well. Just because I'm showing you this does not mean that it is the best practice. You may need to get more scrappy, and I definitely recommend filling out all of your products and making this as robust as possible as a listing, but it's a really good example to take a look at of what is possible if you design something that hasn't been done before, and make sure you invest in your mockups. The mockup is what is selling this product. And the reason I know they're being profitable is if I go back over to Printify, I can find this product. This is the women's baby tee, or a similar type of product. And if we scroll down here into pricing, Monster Digital produces this product. They're selling with Printify Premium for $11.73 and $4.29 in shipping. So definitely profitable versus the $17.99 and $5 shipping that we're seeing. You can see the 4 colors here, and those are the similar colors that we see on this product as well. Moving on to product 4, a behemoth of a product and a category that blew up in 2024 and 2023. This is one of the products that I cut my teeth on. This is my bread and butter. So I was able to blow my shop up by doing candles. The print on demand candle is one that became super popular. While harder to penetrate now, is still absolutely an opportunity depending on which categories and niches you're designing for. So this is a perfect example. This candle has been live for 2 years, and we see that it's done almost 10,000 sales. Once again, it is simple text. Smells like Ethan hit the effing jackpot. A fun idea and something that people will purchase because it's customized for a bridal shower, a wedding party, a wedding gift, all types of things of that nature. And it's simple, it is affordable, and it's one that you can once again find products like this on Printify that allow you to take a custom candle, offer a bunch of scents, and ship this product without actually having to do any of the shipping. When we take a look and analyze this listing, we can see that this is a product that continues to do well. So it's done over 9,000 sales, but even in the last month, it's still sitting at over 700 sales. All time, this candle has done over $50,000 of revenue. Huge amount of opportunity in the candle space, in the wedding space. What I love about EverBee as well is they'll start to give you some of these keyword scores. So obviously if I'm looking for a gift for somebody, I'm probably typing in engagement gift or gift for wedding. What's great is you can also see the tags that are being used for this product. And one that I would have never considered is engaged coworker. That's a very nuanced keyword. You can start making a bunch of different listings that fit within the coworker niche as well. This is where you can start to take the data that's working before and coax that into what you could start designing for today. We're now getting into some of the fresher listings. These are newer. I took a look at a bigger, broader spectrum of timeline. Now we're getting into the ones that are really topical and are trending at this moment. This is a 4th of July listing. So for our 5th listing, I'm going to highlight a 4th of July t-shirt. This is not one that you could design for today, but what I want to highlight with this is think about these seasonal moments that are coming up 3 to 6 months in advance. This was a big year for 4th of July, and if you recall, earlier this year, I posted a video talking about the America's 250th birthday and why it was going to pop off for print on demand. These are the things you have to start spotting months in advance and getting your designs prepped and ready. This one's only been live for about a month, but I bet if I look on their shop, they had more listings similar to this, and this was just one that they threw up at the last minute because that other listing was working so well. So they probably did it on a regular t-shirt, and the V-neck was one that they added a little bit later. And what's really interesting about this, I'm not gonna say the shop name, but the shop name is calling out a Christmas shop name. So they are somebody that has branded as more of a holiday shop, and yet they are launching items and listings within different holidays. So few of you have asked me like, hey, what should I name my shop? It really doesn't matter. Like nobody really cares what your shop name is on Etsy. And this is a really good example of why. For the month that it was live, it was able to do over 700 sales. Roughly, this is directional, like I said again, which if they did sell these for the price point that they have it listed at right now, would be over $20,000 of revenue. What is also really important is for these super seasonal opportunities, what does this picture have in it? It is everything festive for the 4th of July. So a good mock-up is incredibly important to scaling your print on demand shop because it's gonna be the thing that people see and causes them to stop scrolling. Do not underestimate the value of a really good mock-up. And these are all things that we can create now in platforms like Kittl or Canva that allow you to utilize AI to generate or swap out the background and are still really representative of what this t-shirt would actually look like. I also have not seen as many people doing V-necks. That's another category that you should definitely take a look at with print on demand. Moving on to another category and another product. So our 6th product here is this t-shirt. Nothing special. It is a flat lay product. It is a Comfort Colors t-shirt. The Comfort Colors t-shirt has done well for the last 18 months, 24 months, and so it's going to continue to perform really well. They're selling this shirt at $32. It's in 7 carts. Higher price point. We just had Father's Day, so we obviously would have seen a big tick up in sales during the Father's Day season. But what I love about this is the design aesthetic. They are taking this design aesthetic that is super fun and they're cross-niching that with Father's Day or dads and golf. So think about things that you can start to cross-niche and then apply them to really fun design aesthetic. I also posted a video earlier this year talking about how golf was gonna pop off and was trending super well. So if you're not getting the hint that I can call these things before they show up, hopefully you have a little bit of proof now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want more of that free sauce before you actually see these listings popping off. The listing's only been live for 2 months. It's no surprise here. It launched for Father's Day, and up in Father's Day, it had a huge month. But once again, 1 t-shirt, no customization, $12,000 of revenue. They probably pocketed at least $2,400 on this single design that they designed once and got to print over and over again without packaging any of those orders themselves. All right, moving on to item number 7. This is a product that continues to do well, a lot of people will also say that it's oversaturated, and I think that they are wrong. And this example is a perfect exhibit of why. This is a product that is also found on Printify. It is their woven blanket. It's shown here like a tapestry, but it's technically a blanket. It's been live for 2 months, and this product has already done over 100 sales. And what I love about this product is it's a higher price point. So typically you're able to get a higher profit per order because it's a higher purchase price. They offer it in all 3 of the sizes that are available on Printify here as well. When we analyze this listing, we can see that on average, this product is doing somewhere north of $7,000 or $8,000. And if we come down to all of the keywords here, they're doing things a little bit differently. So the product shows this kind of naturey mountainscape. They're targeting keywords like forest wedding. Once again, the wedding category continues to do well in summer because going into fall, a lot of those weddings start to happen. They offer a little bit of customization, but it's simply just 2 names and a date, which is very easy to do. What I also really like about this listing is they did not skimp out on all of the mockups. Once again, these are all things that you can do with AI. If you want more information on how you can do that and how you take the mockups on Printify and make them gorgeous and glorious, drop a comment and I will provide more context there and do some more videos there. But they added a bunch of different mockups that really show off the product, give it that kind of like life feel in real-time scenarios. And they include a lot of really good images on sizing that are super helpful to consumers as well. Okay, moving on to the 8th and final item for the day. This is one that follows along the theme of golfing and I think is super unique and a category where we should continue to dedicate our time as print-on-demand business owners. You can definitely be successful in launching t-shirts and standard products, as I've hopefully been able to demonstrate with the listings I've showed today. These are products that are selling hundreds of thousands of dollars over a long period of time, and that's definitely possible with print-on-demand. What is a more surefire shot of success is finding a product that is a little bit unsaturated and then cross-niching that with likely personalization or some sort of trending topic as well. And that's why I love this product. So this is going to be the personalized golf towel. And what I love about this product is it is high effort but high reward. So this product, they are charging somewhere between $30 to $40 depending on how many faces you personalize. So you can do 1 face and it's $31, but if you would like to have more faces added, up to 8 faces, they will do that and customize it. It's gonna cost a little bit of extra money. So they'll customize up to 8 photos, but that's gonna add an extra $10 onto the purchase price. And this is an interesting trend I'm seeing of hyper personalization, and that is an area where print-on-demand is going to continue to win because nobody else can do that. While they are potentially charging $49 for this item plus $5.99 in shipping, this product can be found on Printify for the low price of $7.68 and $5.39 in shipping. Think about that. You're buying this product for $13 or $14 and you're selling the product for $55. Do not get me wrong, I understand that this is going to take effort. You're gonna need to get 8 photos from somebody, 1 to 8 photos from somebody, and personalize them and customize them and take the time to do it. But if I could do this once per day, twice per day, you're now looking at really sizable amounts of side income. And if you can set aside 10 minutes per day to work on one of these items, that's a pretty good hourly rate for a side project that you can do completely from your computer and not having to own any inventory, and is basically 0 barrier to entry. This product has been live for 2 months. So only 2 months, but during those 2 months, EverBee has estimated they have done over 400 sales. And if we take a look at what that means from a revenue perspective, it's estimated to be over $10,000 of revenue. I was quoting earlier that the products would have probably about a 20% margin. These are sitting at way closer to a 50 to 70% margin if you are willing to put in the effort. Your time is worth something too, but from an actual product cost perspective, you're now sitting at a closer to 50% a margin here. And that means that for 2 months worth of work, you're taking home probably at least half of this revenue. These are all my own estimates, but given my expertise here, that's what I would guesstimate for a product like this. This has not caught on to other categories. We have not seen this level of hyper personalization, hyper customization that really convinces people that this product is worth the $40. So I recommend that if you have the time on your hands and you're looking to start print on demand or really kind of upcharge your print on demand business, playing around with these like hyper personalized items that just a lot of people are going to be unwilling to do. And even if your volume is lower, if your margin is higher, that's going to all net out. And you don't actually have any work to do until the order comes in. So you don't have an excuse of why you shouldn't try. There you have it. Those are 8 print on demand products that are doing anywhere from $5,000 to $100,000. If this was helpful whatsoever, please give me a like, a subscribe, a comment. I'm happy to help with any questions that you have, and I will catch you on the next one.